Like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, so load up. I I think Tesla's a buying opportunity. The Wicks have been talking to Grandpa, and they're saying this is a buying opportunity. See these long wicks here in the 5 minute chart? We'll go through all that in a little bit. Uh, so here we go. Cybertruck. I I think Grandpa should write. I hope I'm on the air here, but I think Grandpa should write a song about cyber. Oh, Cybertruck, oh, Cybertruck. I wish I had a Cybertruck. Okay, that's enough of that. Okay. So, hey, in the 5 minute, we've got a couple indecisions, some long wicks, and she's turning the corner, going up, up, up. Uh, and Grandpa hopes it goes up here and takes out a little bit. Grandpa's doing pretty good today, by the way. In my simulated trading account. So let's look at what's gone on here a little bit. They've been having their fun. I'll say that. We'll go out to the monthly first. That's our strongest one. So in the monthly, I'll go through this. We have a little over 2 years. This trend line has come down a little bit over 2 years now, and she's gonna snap this trend line. Don't let them fool you. Uh, it's gonna go one way or the other for sure. I think it's gonna go both ways, but Grandpa thinks it's gonna go up first. These two, we have a sell in the monthly. Okay, it's absolutely a sell signal according to my engulfing candles. And I'm going to say it again, but these two wicks here are a sign of strength going up. We got pushed back up in the monthly. And I think this thing's going to go to at least bare minimum 280 and very possibly 320 to 340 based on these wicks. And we've gone through that before. Here we have 11 months from down here at the 101.81 up to this point here. We got 11 months. And just about 11. We got 11 months. So of uptrend. It's a little steeper than that one. But that the trend has been up for 11 months, and we're coming into December. December is a strong month for the markets, and I think we're golden. I think back when the price was 191, 200, 205, 210. Don't you wish you would have loaded up a little more? Uh, you're going to get that 280. Okay, we've got a terrifically strong buy signal in this weekly. Truthfully, this weekly has got the power to take us way past 340. Uh, it could take us to 400. The weekly could, and that monthly could reverse possibly. Uh, I'm not anticipating that. I think we could very likely see that 320, 340 though, out of this thing. Look at the long wicks down here in this weekly. When you get long wicks down here, she goes up. Um, this candle here is only half done. I don't know if we're going to have a long wick or not for sure yet. If she keeps sailing up and we don't have a long wick we don't on that one, but if we don't on this one, this thing's going to keep right on sailing. Uh, you want to sell on a long wick. up at the top of the long wicks, that's where you want to do your selling. And you want to do your buying at the bottom of or middle of a long wick on the bottom side, you know. Like this 200 mark right here. There's your sign. And what's our sign on this side? In the wicks. 282. That's where, our substance, our highest substance is right at the 283 range, 284, whatever. That's the area. This is the area up here where this yellow line is, where you want to jump off the bus, possibly. So let me see that daily. I think things are looking wonderful. Daily chart. Okay, we've got indecision in the daily currently, but we do have a pretty long wick to the bottom side of this thing. I think I said the daily on the weekly on the last one with slight. Grandpa only gets a little confused. Okay, so yeah, we need to. I did. I'm pretty sure I did. But we're in the daily here. This one is halfway through the day. That weekly, I'll go back to the weekly and quick and see if I can figure out what I was seeing on thinking about the wrong chart. Oh, where did it go? Okay, here, weekly, buy. This one doesn't expire until Friday, which is tomorrow. So if we push up and we don't got a real big wick up top on this thing, and I think we're going to, she's a buy signal. This is our bus running uphill. Okay, I'll go back to the daily. Daily. Oh, indecision. We're undecided. Look at here. We got undecided. Good wicks on the bottom, and she takes right back off uphill. And that's what Grandpa's anticipating. We have no reason to get off this bus yet, according to this daily. We got a buy signal. 4 hour. Oh, Grandpa always complains about the 4 hour. Okay, now how old is this candle? It's pretty old. This candle's going to be red. Now, if she keeps going up and we got this nice red wick, we're golden here. And hang on, I got a call coming here. If I can get Ed, you're on live stream with Grandpa. He hung up. I think he's tired. I know he just took a nap. I believe he's still down in Texas, and Jeff's down there too. Jeff got a couple of loads, and I'm not sure what Ed's got going. But yeah, all right. In this 4 hour, we got a buy signal, a little bit of indecision going on here. I think we're going to keep right on sailing. That's what Grandpa thinks. Who knows? You just don't know. Grandpa knows. I'll tell you about my blinking a little bit. That helps. The blinking helps Grandpa. Scary. Hourly. Cell signal. Big time. Strong. But it's already done most of it. We got a couple of big wicks here. And holds this candle. Oh, wish Grandpa knew something about time. It's about a half hour old. Oh, I think, well, it's a cell signal. There's no doubt about it in the hourly. And Grandpa's hoping it comes down here and fills this last one for him. and we're off to the races after that. Hey, look at this. I want to point this out. We have a W in the hourly. See it? It went up and peaked out at 252.75. Our W did. Okay? And Grandpa is thinking that this is the bottom right here of either the start of an M or we could be going to make a W and come back down and go up. That's what I'm anticipating. So the question is, and you can kind of anticipate where it might go if you want to get out. So either way, if it's making a W or an M, if it's an M, we come back up here. Okay, we come back up in this range, and then we're gonna come down here or lower. That's a sell signal, an M. But if we turn it into a W, that will be a buy signal. It'll be fun to see which one it does. Grandpa likes M's and W's. And here in the 30-minute, we got the same thing going. Is this thing gonna give us a W, or are we gonna turn this? We got the first leg of the M here, I can tell you that. And to make a good M, she's got to come back up here in this area and then go to the basement. So, and it might, not the basement necessarily, but it might do a M up in the 250 range and come back down, or we could get a W out of this thing where she goes up around, say, 245, 246 area, comes back down, and we're off to 280, 300. That's our other little scenario. So, who knows? 15-minute chart. We're on the verge of going up, almost, maybe. I think we got indecision. This candle's gonna be green. We only got 3 minutes left, 2 minutes left of this candle. So, and then we will see. It'll be, Grandpa thinks it's gonna go good for us. The truth is we're moving straight sideways, but we've got a buy signal. Even Hull says it's a buy signal in the 5-minute. Grandpa wants this 241 to fill, so I can fill it again at 240. That's what do I got for an average? 240. I got a 240 average on this bus. So we'll look at the 2-minute quick, and then Grandpa's gonna get off here. We got a buy signal in the 2-minute. Come on, 241. Hey, anything you buy down here is an opportunity. Anything below 269, okay? Don't start buying above 269. Quit that stuff. We got substance at 283, 280 at the top side. That's what we're waiting for, for long term, middle of December here. And on the bottom side, we have substance at, 220, 210, 205, 200, 180, 190 is massive substance. You're going to see that number. There ain't no doubt about it. Might be January, February, or March, but you'll see it, and you're going to see 184.50. That's. I hope we get that 101 eventually again, so we can load up. But we'll have to wait and see. We'll talk about that one the next time. Okay, thanks for listening. All good things are from the Lord. God bless you, and we'll see you maybe later today.